Hey, welcome to Pin Your Income with Pinterest. And in this introduction video, I just want to go over a few pretty cool stats with you about Pinterest. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, we're going to get into more detail about what Pinterest is, what kind of social network it is, and how you can make money with it. But for now, let's just look at a few cool, interesting statistics about Pinterest. So according to Fortune magazine, Pinterest is the fastest growing website ever. Okay, Pinterest gets over 12 million monthly unique visitors. And according to Time magazine, Pinterest is in the top 5 of social networks, which is interesting because Pinterest is a site and a social network that's not really that well known. If you ask a lot of people about Pinterest, they probably can't tell you much about it, unlike Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. They say the average user spends over 98 minutes a day on Pinterest. Okay, I'm pretty sure that that's right up there with Facebook, right up there with YouTube. Maybe not YouTube, you're watching videos, but I'm pretty sure that's right up there with Facebook. So any links that you get from Pinterest to your site are considered do follow links. Okay, so they're do follow page rank 6 links. Okay, this is going to help with your website's search engine optimization. Okay, so like other social media, Pinterest is great for search engine optimization if you can get a lot of follows and people responding and looking at your stuff. And Pinterest engages users twice as much as Twitter did at its age. Okay, so not only are they growing rapidly, but they're growing faster than Twitter did and Facebook did at their ages. Not only are they growing, but they're growing faster than Twitter did. And in March 2012, Pinterest registered 17.8 million users, and according to ComScore, that's a 52% jump in just 1 month. Okay, so in February 2012, Pinterest drove more traffic to websites than Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, and YouTube combined. Okay, so more traffic from Pinterest than all of these social media combined. So by now your ears should be perking up a little bit, and if you don't know much about Pinterest, you should probably be wanting to pay attention here. So Pinterest was recently valued at a reported $200 million. Okay, so unless you're planning on buying Pinterest, that really doesn't help you. But just knowing this information should get you motivated to at least learn more about Pinterest and maybe try your hand at getting followers and utilizing the social media. I mean, it's really good to get in, from the ground level. Now, Pinterest has been around for around 4 years. But it's just one of those that's, it's caught fire with a good demographic and a good amount of people, but it's still not quite to that level of oversaturation. So there's still a lot of potential with Pinterest. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to go to Pinterest and start your account. So we'll see you in the next video.